Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a very important ruling by Madras High Court in the matter of Athi Hotels. इस रूलिंग में जो इशू डिस्कस हुआ है दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट इज़ पर्टेनिंग टू द लिविएबिलिटी ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एंड पेनल्टी इन द केसेस वेयर द ITC हैज़ बीन अवेल्ड बट नॉट यूटिलाइज्ड. सो इस केस में जो इशू था वो ये था कि जो टैक्स पेयर ने अपना जो पुराना वैट के टाइम का जो टैक्स का क्रेडिट था उसको ट्रांजिशन किया इन द GST रिजीम बाय फाइलिंग ऑफ GST ट्रान 1. उसमें कुछ जो क्रेडिट था जो उसकी रिटर्न में बैलेंस था उससे थोड़ा सा एक्सेसिव था. तो डिपार्टमेंट ने जब इसको वेरीफाई किया तब एसएससी ने एग्री किया और वो जो पूरा का पूरा क्रेडिट था वो एसएससी ने रिवर्स कर दिया एज पर द नोटिस. लेकिन डिपार्टमेंट ने उस नोटिस के अंदर अपार्ट फ्रॉम द टैक्स अमाउंट इंटरेस्ट और पेनल्टी को भी लीवी किया, जिसको एसएससी ने चैलेंज किया बिफोर द मद्रास हाई कोर्ट थ्रू दिस रिट पेटिशन. इसमें जो एसएससी का कंटेंशन था वो सिंपली ये था कि जी ये जो क्रेडिट है ये खाली मैंने अवेल किया है. इट हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन अवेलेबल in my electronic credit ledger. It has not been utilized, and until unless I utilize that credit, I take the benefit of that credit in reducing my outward tax liability. I am not supposed to pay. I am not basically liable to pay any interest or penalty on that amount. And accordingly, SSC argued before the Madras High Court. While the stand of the department was that कि the provisions of section 73 and 74 stand attracted once you have availed any credit, you have taken a positive first step in that direction. Secondly, the amount of credit which has been availed by the assessee was neither available to him under the VAT regime nor it was available to him in the GST regime. Thus, there is a clear attempt by the taxpayer to take a wrongful credit and utilize that in the future. So he is not a bona fide taxpayer, and thus the levy of interest and penalty, which is consequential in nature, has to come. So Madras High Court, after hearing the arguments of the parties, gave very good observations, and it said that it is very evident, clearly evident from the facts of the case that SSC has made a wrongful attempt to take the credit, and SSC is not a bona fide in his conduct. Secondly, it said that the proceedings under section 73 and 74 can very well be initiated on wrongful availment. It is not required that it should be utilized as well, and department is correct in its stand that the proceedings can be initiated under section 73 for non-fraud cases and under section 74 for fraud cases. However, the court said the levy of interest and penalty would arise only once the tax has been, that particular ITC has been utilized. It can't be made applicable on availment itself. Since the credit was available in the electronic credit ledger, hence interest and penalty is not leviable. However, the court said a token penalty under section 122 could be charged because there has been a wrongful attempt by the SSC and he could have used it also, and thus he should be penalized for a token amount. So this particular ruling is very significant as it has clarified that the levy of interest and penalty should not be made applicable only on availment. In case it has been availed but it is lying in my electronic credit ledger, then the question of levy of interest and penalty would not arise until it is utilized. And this fact, this particular matter has been decided by earlier also by Honorable Patna High Court in the matter of commercial steel engineering corporation, wherein Patna High Court has also said the similar thing, which has been respectfully followed by Honorable Madras High Court. और इस चीज़ के ऊपर सिमिलरली गवर्नमेंट ने भी एक अमेंडमेंट इस फाइनेंस एक्ट 2022 के अंदर लेके आए थे 2022 के अंदर, जिसमें सेक्शन 50 सबसेक्शन 3 को अमेंड किया था और उसके अंदर उन्होंने अवेल्ड और यूटिलाइज्ड को रिप्लेस किया था अवेल्ड एंड यूटिलाइज्ड को. सो लेजिस्लेटिव इंटेंशन वाज वेरी मच क्लियर विच हैज़ बीन क्लैरिफाइड एंड बाय बोथ द हाई कोर्ट्स. और इस टाइप के जो नोटिस हैं वो काफ़ी आ रहे थे असेसमेंट्स, ऑडिट्स और स्क्रूटनी ऑफ रिटर्न्स के थ्रू. और अब डिपार्टमेंट शुड टेक ए नोट ऑफ बोथ दिस रूलिंग्स एंड अकॉर्डिंगली पास द असेसमेंट ऑर्डर्स. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you very much.